You can see that this is a symbol similar minus similar. So this symbol similar minus similar, this similar symbol we have created in our computer using a keyboard shortcut alt 10860. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol in our Windows computer. So for this you must first open your Microsoft Word, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard, and suppose in this keyboard the number key is off, you must turn on the number lock. I can see the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10860. So after typing 10860, then you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that this symbol have been added. So we have created this symbol. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.